Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am SJ. Today, let's have fun painting figs with watercolors. I really like figs because they have pretty colors and taste yummy. In this guide, we'll paint a fig cut in half, and it's easier than you might think. Let's get started. First, wet the paper and then gently paint the fig in yellow before it dries. Keep it natural with some uneven shapes. Step 2. Now use red to paint the fig just like in the first step. Make the center a bit darker to add some depth. Step 3. Grab a deep red, like a crimson lake, to highlight the darker center of the fig. Step 4. With a dark purplish paint, paint the fig skin and shadows. Make the shadows stand out for a more realistic look. Step 5. Paint the stem with a light green color. Step 6. After the painting is completely dry, use red to add detailed touches, especially in the finer areas. There you go, a watercolor masterpiece capturing the spirit of a fig. Have fun experimenting with these techniques and enjoy the creative process. Thank you for watching my video.